എൻ്റെ പേര് രേണുക ബാലയാണ്. Mambally's family the 5th generation in the bakery business ആണ്. Mambally Royal Biscuit Factory was established in 1880 by Mambally Bapu, and Mambally Bapu also made history when he baked the first plum cake, which is also the first recorded cake in Indian history, in 1883, which led to Talcherry being known as the land of cakes, cricket and circus. So the story goes that Murdoch Brown, who was a cinnamon planter based out of Anjara Kandi, which is the largest cinnamon estate in Asia, approached Mambally Bapu with a cake that he had brought back from the UK and asked if he could make a cake similar to that. So Mambally Bapu, put his own recipe twist to the entire thing and created one where instead of using French brandy, which was recommended by Murdoch Brown, he used a local liquor, arak, and made the cake with the spices that he procured locally as well, the best spices that he could find, and created a cake which was given to Murdoch Brown after 10 days. And when he tasted it, he absolutely loved the cake and proclaimed excellent, which led to him ordering a dozen more cakes, and soon enough the cake became extremely popular with both the Indians and the foreigners around here, and so goes history. You can visit us at the Harbour City Mall. We wish myG all the very best for the new store that's being set up in Talcherry. Take us from the old to the new technologies.